So by the end of this video, I'll show you step by step how to add 2 videos in 1 frame on CapCut. So the first thing to do now, I'll go ahead now and remove these videos. So go and import the videos to the timeline. So after you import the videos like this to the timeline, so all you have to do now, make sure all the videos they have the same duration. So this video is short and this video is long. Now I'll go ahead now and trim this one to fit the first one. So now they have the same duration. So the first thing to do now, select the second video, the above video, this one. So go to this mask. After you click on this mask, make sure to check on this. Now add mask. After you add the mask like this now, so go ahead and click on this film strip. After you select the film strip, now go ahead and drag this one to like this. So now make it to 90 degree. So now I'll just take this arrow to back. So I'll select the position where I want to display in the video like this. So I want to display only this part of the video. So now go ahead and select basic and take it to this side. So now here is it now. So after I take it to this side, so I'll decrease the size like this. So the next thing to do, select the first video, go to mask again. So now add mask, go to film strip. So now drag this arrow, this rotation to 90 degree. So I have 90 degree now. I'll select it to this side. So now go ahead now and resize it to fit where you want to display inside the video. So now I want to display this part of the video like this. So after I select like this, now click on this basic. So all you have to do now, go ahead and scale the video like this. So after you drag back the scale, so now take it to this side. So here is it now. So now this video is bigger than this one. So now click on the second video. So now drag this edge to fit the second video. So take it and make sure they are in the same length and height. So now I'll play my video and see how it works. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.